You trigger a massive automated test suite, fully expecting a clean pass, but a trivial update to the front-end user interface deploys. Instantly, the entire dashboard flashes red. Hundreds of tests fail simultaneously. This cascade failure happens because web interfaces evolve rapidly. Buttons are relocated, styling frameworks are replaced, and HTML structures are rewritten. When your automation scripts are tightly bound to that exact HTML structure, they break the very second the code changes. The core bottleneck in front-end test automation is structural. Most testing environments fail to separate the logical intent of the test, what we are trying to prove, from the mechanical interface of the web application, how we click the buttons. Achieving stable automation at enterprise scale strictly requires decoupling high-level test logic from low-level UI mechanics. The architectural framework designed specifically to solve this exact problem is the page object model. The page object model is an object-oriented design pattern that can be implemented within any major automation framework, from Selenium to Playwright. It functions as a protective abstraction layer. By mapping the interface into distinct objects, it shields fragile test assertions from the volatility of front-end code. This model provides the structural foundation required to manage thousands of tests across evolving applications without a corresponding explosion in maintenance time. When engineers first learn UI automation, they typically write tests as linear procedural scripts. The focus is entirely on immediate execution speed, getting the browser to open, click, and verify as quickly as possible. The anatomical flaw of this approach is that it merges everything into a single block of code. UI locators, raw WebDriver commands, and business logic assertions exist side by side on the same screen. This dual-pane architecture model illustrates the vulnerability. You have business logic mixed haphazardly with raw UI details inside a single, chaotic monolith. This structure conflates what the test is verifying with how the framework interacts with the system. The verification step and the execution step are tangled together, creating a high degree of coupling. This violates the single responsibility principle. A module should have one reason to change. By splitting the logic into distinct columns, we ensure that a UI update does not force a rewrite of our business logic. Sacrificing architectural structure for the sake of writing tests quickly results in a suite that is structurally impossible to maintain at scale. Building the abstraction layer requires one immediate step: isolating the UI locators away from the test scripts. The core mechanical concept of the page object model is to represent a single web page or a distinct web component as a dedicated, standalone, object-oriented class. Every static UI element within the DOM, like the username and password fields, is strictly mapped to a private class property. User behaviors and dynamic interactions, such as submitting the form, are mapped directly to executable class methods. This creates a strict boundary. The test script no longer touches the raw DOM, interacting with the application only through exposed class methods. Instead of hard-coding raw XPath commands to find a text box and send Ps, your test script simply calls a clear method, loginpage.enterCredentials. The test logic pane is immediately transformed. It reads like a clear set of instructions, free of UI clutter. All of the heavy WebDriver dependencies, the waits, the element clicks, and the locators, are fully encapsulated and hidden safely inside the page object class. By encapsulating the DOM inside an object, the test script itself becomes immune to superficial front-end UI changes. The ultimate stress test of any software architecture is how it behaves under the pressure of systemic, unpredicted change. Engineers aim for O1 maintenance scaling. The time and cost required to update a system should remain constant, regardless of whether you have 10 tests or 10,000. Consider a scenario where the front-end development team changes the HTML ID of a core checkout button that is utilized across the entire application. In a procedural suite, the impact is linear. 50 tests use that one button, resulting in 50 test failures, requiring 50 separate manual code updates to restore the pipeline. Now trace the exact same UI change within our new page object architecture. We have dozens of test suites relying on a central checkout page object. The maintenance path is direct. The automation engineer updates the broken locator in exactly one place, the private variable inside the page object class. Because the tests inherit the behavior from the class, that single action immediately cascades through the network. every dependent test is instantly repaired. Establishing a single source of truth turns a massive refactoring task into a trivial, constant-time update. Once you expand this pattern from a single web page to the entire application, you create a complete enterprise testing ecosystem. The page object model wraps the chaotic front-end UI inside a predictable, object-oriented API that your tests can trust. A mature, scalable automation architecture operates on 3 distinct layers. Modular test cases sit at the top, the page object abstraction sits in the middle, and the raw web application sits at the bottom. At the top layer, strict operational rules apply. The tests pass data down and assert business logic. They possess zero awareness of the browser. The middle layer handles the mechanics. The page objects act as exclusive two-way translators, receiving the abstract intent from the tests and executing the physical actions on the application below. This pattern is language agnostic. Whether you write in Java, Python, or TypeScript, building this abstraction layer is an architectural imperative across all modern tech stacks. Stability at enterprise scale is the direct engineered result of separating intent from execution. Scaling QA infrastructure requires a mental shift for automation engineers. Automation test code must be treated exactly like production code. Test suites must be subjected to the same structural rigor, code reviews, and design patterns as the primary application they are designed to evaluate. The mandate is to audit current procedural test suites and begin abstracting the DOM immediately. Every single line of test logic, isolated from the interface, is a step toward a highly modular, resilient architecture. Adopting the page object model shifts the focus from writing disposable scripts to engineering a resilient, scalable system that maintains its integrity as the application evolves.